the toy pack.
Hi guys, look what we have here today. Some Disney toys. And this is Wally. Who knows Wally? Do you know all these things? Do you want to open it? Look, here are the names. That's Wally. That's Eve. That's Emo. That's Captain. It's Autopilot. And a paint bot. And there's Stuart. There's the Captain's sofa. Look. Do you want to open our own set of Wally toys? Let's do it. Okay. So, who are these? Let's do it one by one. Look. That's Emo. Isn't that cool? Okay, so Emo here, he's a robot. Let's put him down here. And then, who's next? Ah, do you remember who this is? That's Eve. Look at these eyes. Let's put him next to Emma. Then who do we have? Oh, what is this? You know what this is? This is the autopilot. Over here. Then we have Stuart. Stuart will stand here. Then we have him. Who is that? The captain. See, he's got his jacket on. And we've got the captain's sofa. Look. Let's put the captain on the captain's sofa. Like this. And then we have the paint bot. Look. He paints automatically. Yeah. And then finally we have Wally. So that's Wally and his friends. Aren't they cute? Now let's see what else we have today. We have some of these. Wow. It says movin', movin'. Let's see what they do. Okay. So who do we have here? Do you know him? He's the alien. Look. And what's his name? The alien from the Toy Story. What can you do with him? Twist this behind. Look, isn't that cool? Fun! So that's the alien. And then we have... Who is he? Do you know the name? Well, we shall find out soon. Let me just open this. Yes, that's Sulley. Sulley from Monsters University. Let's see what he does. Hey, that's cool. Let's do it once more. Isn't that cool? Over here. Yes, he's our little chef mouse. Or you could even call him a rat. Look. There you go. Look at his ears, nose. He has a chef's cap and a spoon. Let's see what he will do. he moves a spoon. That's so cute. Who is next? Let's see. Looks like an ant, right? Yes, it is from ants. It's Flik from ants. Look, there's a binocular and there's a rug. See what he does. Oh, look, that's so cute. Oopsie. Do you want to try it out once more? Let's do it. There's an accident. Well, so here are our toys for today from Disney Pixar movies. Wally and his friends with Remy from Ratatouille. Then we have the alien from the Toy Story. And then we have Sully from Monsters University. And we have Flik from ants. Let's also see what we can do with Wally and his friends. Look at this. And we have this. And we have this. And of course, Stuart. And then we have the captain and his sofa. And we have Eve. And of course, we have Wally. Isn't that cool? Well, we hope you had fun with all of them today. Oh, there goes Remy from the ants. We hope you enjoyed. Bye.